Yo, hello guys, it's Switch here with another app, and today I'm just going to talk a little bit about the game which is called Nutninja, and it's the NFT game, and it's obviously in my description, so you can go there and just use my ref and join me within the app, and it's actually a super cool game. So first thing first, I have some daily rewards. Oh, 31,000 coins. Okie dokie. So it's the NFT sort of game where we can mine the cards or upgrade those cards. So first thing first, we have our Squirrel, which generally we can tap that Squirrel. And on the beginning, we are going to start with 500 points, and right now I'm on level 5. And actually the energy bar change into 1000 points. So normally we have on the beginning 500 points. So we're just tapping obviously to get energy. Then we are going to mining tab, which is below. You can see this right now because my overlay is covering, but basically we have tabs down there. You will figure. It was going to the mining tab. And that's pretty much that's the all game here. It's like you're going to this tab and then you just choosing the card to spend our gold. So we have 35,000. So obviously we want to spend basically everything. This one is going to give us the almost 2,000 nuts profit. We're just gonna choose this one. We have 11,000, so we can use whatever. I'm just gonna use this one for 8,000. Okay. And I think we are good right now. So that's strange because the bar right now dropped to 500. I don't know why. Maybe the reason is because if we are having more points, then somehow the energy rising, but no idea, to be honest. One thing what I know for sure is like after mining one card, I'm supposed to actually grab the points and then mine the card, because as you can see, I just have full bar of energy, and I think you always will receive the full bar of energy after you mining the cards. So what you do when you mine the card, you're supposed to use the energy and then mine another card, but not is like a big deal. So right now I just left with almost 4,000, but I'm not able to upgrade anything at this point. So basically I'm just gonna leave this game, but before I will leave, I will jump to the other two tabs, which is friends tab. So obviously you can use my ref. Really appreciate that. And then we have the what I will get from the bonus when your friends level up. So when you are going to level up, actually I will receive the nuts. Invite a friend, and it's actually 10,000. So it's actually a lot. So like this, like what I'm trying to say is lots of games and apps. Obviously, I'm talking about, and I will be playing them, and I will obviously have referral for every game or app I'm playing. And what I'm trying to say, like majority of apps, they don't really give you much from. Excuse me. Okay. That's true. That was a sneeze of true. So of truff, sneeze of truff. So basically, yeah, they're not really giving you much, but here, there you go. It's actually 12,000 points, so you are able to actually mint something, do something with it. And then we have the mission tab, which join the Telegram group. That's strange because I think I joined. It's not really much to do. And then daily reward, I have no idea. It's like, need to press this. Oh, right, okay. So I didn't even know that. Like, that's where you can actually go here and climb. Stay free, climb. Okay, so we don't need to log every day. You can just press climb to climb the. Okay. I like that. I like that. Usually it's like if you will miss one day, that will just fuck you up and you have to carry on from day one. It's like in that TSUBASA rivals, I actually fucked up one day, but actually was on the end, which means like after rotation. So I get 5 million points from the last day, and then I didn't get 1 day login. Okay, okay, daily reward. That's crazy good. I don't know it's a bug or not, but that's crazy good. So I will have like fuckloads of points right now. Yeah. Oh my god. I like see reach level 7. So righty. So definitely want to use those points unless I can keep them. Nah, we're just going to use everything. So we're just gonna mine this because it's 27,000. Okay. Okay. And we can mine another 30,000. Okay. And I think. Okay, and then how much we have? 27,000. Obviously the highest. I'm just gonna grab the highest possible. Okay, not enough. 16. So how much we have then? It's 15. Okay, but still we can do something about this, right? That's for 9. We're just gonna grab this. And then this one we are able to. Okay, cool. That's like super amazing stuff. Okie dokie. So level 7. I like the how the Nutninja looks like. Really cozy, really nice game. I really like those kind of games. Also, I like this game because it's generally like really straightforward, and you're not really spending or wasting much of the time, which is super great. And with that being said, 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 7 minutes. Sorry, excuse me. With that being said, I want to talk a little bit about the TOYGERS, but like super straightforward because obviously, if you are following me, you know exactly. But if you're not following me, you should. The reason why is because right now you will know a little bit about the super exciting app. First thing first, thank you very much, guys, to actually use my ref. 10 people join me. You will obviously receive lots of nice stuff from this company, from the TOYGERS, because that's the idea. They're just promoting the stuff. Lots of people have no idea about this even existing, this product. So basically, you're just playing the game, and basically the amounts of points you are receiving, you will be able to use. You are going to be able to use later on to buy physical products such as hoodies. This is a t-shirt, I know, but it's going to be a hoodie. It's going to be like super quality hats, jewelry, gloves, and they said also the candles, but this is just like a fraction of what they said. They just announced few things, and there are going to be a toy robots as well. So this is just a few things they announced, but there's going to be much more stuff. Another super exciting stuff is after 20 days you can unlock that thing which is called the toy builder, and you will be able to build your own toy. I don't know anything much more about it, but it's just 3 days for me to unlock this, and then I will just let you know much more. Also, it's like separate playlist for this project, this game, this app on my YouTube channel, because I strongly believe I can build my brand around this brand and promoting their toys and promoting my own toys. But like I said, we'll see how it's going to be. On top of that, when you're going to unlock this toy builder, you will receive 10,000 points on daily basis just for free by doing basically fuck all. And then you have the collection tab. So for those people who are like to buying collectibles, you can buy those collectibles, and then when you are going to buy them, they are going to be in your collection tab, and then you can stake them. And you're supposed to do that because firstly you will have extra points on daily basis, exactly to be exact with 20,000 per toy you purchase. So I will receive 60,000 extra points per day, plus that toy builder, so it's going to be 70,000 per day. Another thing, we are unlocking something which I have no idea what's that, but obviously I will let you know. Another thing that's staking is not going to be permanent, so just keep that in mind. Like when you're going to buy the toy, just stake, just don't redeem, because staking is always better. That's like a common sense. You just stake that, and you'll be able to buy some crap from this. Like crap, I mean the good things. That's what I meant. So yeah, you want to stake this, and then I think that's it for now. Orders, obviously you connect your wallet, and then you can see your purchases, your buys basically. And Nothing really more here. I mean, I can just add. I think I said already. Yeah, like I'm really happy. Thank you very much, guys, for adding me, for using my referral. Obviously, I have some extra points from you when you're grinding, but other than that, we are going to receive the same crap, basically the same. I mean, the good things, like we are going to receive basically the same stuff from them. But genuinely, I have an idea to use all that stuff to promote my channel as well as free giveaways and premium giveaways, because if I will receive something like expensive, obviously I don't want to send it for free, and then I don't know, maybe if we need to use actually the points to receive that stuff, because I believe so, like we will need, and let's say something is going to be for 1 million points or even for 5 million points, so I have rather to keep this for myself. But unless somehow I manage to do, I don't know, 500 million points, so I can, receive more stuff. But we'll see about that. Like, super excited about the project. Don't really want to talk much more because there's going to be lots of videos about this. So I hope you will enjoy this game as well. And by the way, there's going to be they developing the game, so those points you actually going to use within the game. So right now we're just having this scrolling, just to our sort of killing the time and waiting for what's actually going to happen in the future. So they saying this year is going to be like super massive year, and everybody's supposed to jump into the TOYGERS, and well, I think they're right. They know what they're talking about, but we'll see about it. Okie dokie. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. See you guys in the next video. Take care and bye for now. And remember to use my ref and play this game because it's going to be fucking crazy.